How to find Pandora jewelry promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Pandora jewelry promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can just scroll down and check it out. For instance, I will be opening this one, Simply Codes. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check it out. If you're interested in any of the offer or deal, all you have to do is click on the option of use code. I have selected this one, 10% off. Now I can copy this code. Now whenever you check out on Pandora, you can apply this coupon code and get the discount. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code. Likewise, head back. You can also check out other offers. You'll find great deals and offers. Likewise, you can also go through these websites. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can find Pandora jewelry promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.